So here's how to collect Shopify payments with Stripe. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Shopify account. Once you are there, now you have to simply go to the settings option at the bottom of this page. Then from this menu, you have to simply click on the payments option. Moving on to the next step, now here at this page, you have to simply click on the payment providers option. Then here at this page, you have to simply click on the choose a provider option. After that, from here, you will be able to view these options. Then you have to search for the Stripe. Now click on this option to view it. After that, it will redirect you to the Stripe login page. Here you have to enter your email address and password, then click on the continue option. If you don't already have a Stripe account here, you have to simply create a new first. After clicking onto this continue option, now your Stripe account will be integrated to your Shopify store. So that's how to collect Shopify payments with Stripe.